I'm going to show you exactly how to create a seamless Instagram carousel, just like this one, in just a few simple steps. First, create a new design with the custom size 5400 by 1350 pixels. Once you're in, go to File, then Settings, and click on Add Guides. Select Custom. Set the columns to 5 and make sure everything else is set to 0. This gives us our 5 individual slides. Now you can start designing across the entire canvas. Quick note, if you are watching this video as a guide for my free template, this is exactly where you start editing. And if you are new here and want to skip the design part, you can get this template for free via the link in the description. Simply drag and drop your own photos into the frames and let your creativity run wild. When you're happy, hit Share, Download, and save it as a PNG. Next, create a new design. This time, use the standard portrait size, 1080 by 1350 pixels. On the left sidebar, click on Apps and search for Image Splitter. Open the app and upload the long PNG file we just saved. In the settings, set rows to 1 and columns to 5. Then hit Split Image. Now just click Add Images to New Pages and boom, you have 5 separate slides. Finally, download these pages as JPEGs. You can now upload them to Instagram as a carousel. Just make sure they are in the right order to keep it seamless. That's it. Thanks for watching, and if this helped, I'd really appreciate a like and a subscribe. See you next time.